we are increasing our war efforts and offering you new, exciting career opportunities with tremendous growth potential.
You kill anything that has more than 2 legs!
Meet the new Vanguard. The Ranger is well suited for close quarters combat and scouting. Their excellent mobility allows them to explore and be more self-sufficient, supporting themselves for long periods of time. Storming onto the battlefield with explosive weaponry in hand, the Demolisher unleashes a formidable arsenal. With expert knowledge in all things explosive, the Federation's premier Demolisher Troopers will easily be able to blast their way through the endless swarms of the arachnid menace. Let's not forget the Medic. Always good to have around in combat situations, the Medic provides much-needed mobile support and active healing to keep the rest of the Vanguard in top shape.
Bullseye!
The Sniper. Equipped with an array of long-range weaponry and jump jets, the Sniper is able to find tactical advantages and destroy bugs from a safe distance.
Come on! You want some? Here's some!
The Guardian is the Federation's foremost defensive juggernaut, equipped with hardened armor plates and formidable machine guns. And here's the logistical backbone of the Vanguard, the Engineer.
Locate a bunker!
These tactical masterminds are essential to base building and maintenance while also employing an arsenal of mines, the split shotgun, and Vanguard favorite, the flamethrower. Remember, citizen, with our combined efforts, these bugs are no match for us. Would you like to know more?